GeckoChat has some very convenient visualizations of a lot of the data that's taking place in your account, and it's accessible by going to the stats section at the very top. Here you have 4 tabs to go through. We're going to be going through conversations and teams. And the first thing to note is that all of the data on the account can be filtered by whatever date range you want. So if you're wanting last week, today's views, or any custom range, you can apply that. Additionally, you can filter by conversations where certain teams or agents have been involved, whether or not bots have been involved, any tags that are assigned to conversations, and also by any active or deleted and retired channels. Just set up your filters and click Apply Filter to see the results pull through. Here we'll see such granular information as the total number of new incoming conversations over date ranges, the total closed conversations, what the average or the median response time was, median conversation length, and conversations by channel and channel type, which give you really good insight into the business as to how students are actually wanting to communicate with you currently. In addition to seeing a very holistic view of the account, you have access to the Teams section, which you'll notice has exactly the same filterable stats, but here this gives you a great insight into how your agents are using the platforms, particularly useful if you're using student workers or if you're really wanting to provide a little bit of feedback and performance reviews, so you're able to track various things such as how many unique messages has each individual sent, how many conversations have they closed, what's their individual first response time or median conversation length, and how long have they been logged into the system for. In addition to this, you get this breakdown of the team stats, so how much has admissions been using versus the registrar. Do they really warrant a space on the team if they're not using it so much? All of this information combines in a way to be very helpful in making business decisions at that ilk. The final and most important thing to note is that absolutely every single metric that we've discussed just here can be exported. All of the data from those sort of analyses that we've done is viewable and exportable by going to Settings, Exports, and running a Conversations export.